This protocol facilitates the performance of simplified accelerated aging tests on textile fabrics and the evaluation of mechanical properties on tested materials.
This procedure makes it possible to determine future material properties in a relatively short period of time, which is essential for structural designers specializing in textile fabric roof structures.
To assess viscoplastic constitutive relations, a testing machine with a software loop is required to perform constant strain rate tests controlled by an extensometer.
Before beginning the experiment, confirm that a testing machine equipped with an extensometer and the appropriate software is available, and that a thermal chamber is accessible. Unroll the technical fabric AF9032 bale and draw at least 42 300 by 50 mm shapes on the fabric surface parallel to the warp direction, and at least 42 parallel to the fill direction. Use a permanent marker to indicate the warp direction on each specimen before cutting out the specimens. Use a slide caliper to measure the specimen's thickness and count the number of threads at the short edge of the specimen. Next, set a thermal chamber to a constant temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. When the temperature almost reaches 80 degrees Celsius, open the chamber door and place at least 7 sets of specimens into the chamber, closing the door as soon as possible to avoid a temperature drop. After 1 hour, use thermal gloves to remove the reference set of specimens, removing the successive experimental sets once a week every 2 weeks for the next 12 weeks.